Hello everyone, my name is Ilya, aka Elijah. I'm a professional video editor here on Fiverr. I edit commercials, events, food videos, epic B-rolls, music videos, short films, tutorials, personal blog videos, and more. All of my packages include professional editing, color grading, basic motion graphics and VFX, sound design, and royalty-free music. By the way, I speak Russian and English, so feel free to communicate with me in any of these languages. Looking forward to working with you. Contact me and place an order.